Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are practicing our piping and making an old-fashioned drop lines cake. Let's get started.
I start out by frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with purple vegan American buttercream. I am using a medium round tip, a small round tip, a medium open star tip, and a small open star tip. I put white buttercream in piping bags with all these tips, as well as purple with a medium open star tip. Then I mark the edges of the cake at fairly regular intervals. This would be more even if you used a ruler. Then I mark the edges with a circle cutter. Then I follow the marks with a medium round tip. This is one way to make faux drop lines. Then I took the small round tip and piped a few true drop lines between the faux drop lines. True drop lines are made by anchoring one end, pipe a line of buttercream without touching anything, and anchor the other end when the line is long enough. I struggled a bit at this point in getting the drop lines to be the same length, but I didn't hate the result. Then I piped longer lines just below the first, concentrating on getting them the same length. I found these looked much better with the second set as well. I piped a zigzag along the bottom of the cake with a medium star tip. Then I added a tiny swirl on top of each zigzag with the small star tip. I piped a star on top of the tips of the faux drop lines, and a smaller one on top of the tips of the actual drop lines. And a quick rope border around the middle, topped with a purple swirl. Then a swirl with the round tip, then one with purple between the white ones. Then I piped a twist in the empty spaces. And I added a purple tip to the twists. And finally, a tiny purple star between the swirls around the bottom. So I may have gone a bit overboard, but I actually really love this piped cake. I love the colors, and it just reminds me of the over-the-top wedding cakes from like the 80s. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.